from Barangay Bangkok. Maganda name around. Next is Raina Sheba, Queen of Sheba. Raina Sheba represents the Queen of Sheba,
Smile.
the wise and noble ruler who journeyed from a distant land to meet King Solomon after hearing of his great wisdom. She symbolizes the search for truth, wisdom, faith, and reverence for God's blessings. Her